Hey guys, welcome back. This video I will show you how to customize Shopify checkout. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's head over first and try to customize our theme. Click on customize right here. Then this will open the Shopify editor. Now in here, this is what our site will look like. So for example, we want to actually check out an item that we have right here. So what we can do is we can click on this add to cart right here. And once you have clicked on this button right there, you should be able to see this one. And when you try to check out, you should be able to see a page for checkout right there. Alternatively, you can just click on your cart. And on your cart right here, you should be able to buy the specific item that you have from in there. So for some cases, if you're trying to have this change or if you want to actually make these changes on this specific part of your store, what you can do is you can actually just edit it out, or you can edit out the theme that you have present for this specific theme. So for example, for here, we have the theme of black and white. So what you can do is you can actually change the theme right there by clicking on this page, part of the page, and clicking on this color scheme right here and changing it into one that you like. So for example, you want to use this blue right here, it totally depends on you, or you want to use this black, also looks like this and looks like this as well. Once you have done that, head over and save your progress. And then once you have saved your progress, you should be able to see that the actual checkout page will change as well. So if you want to change the settings for the checkout, what you can do is you can head over to your settings right here. And then from in there, it will open your store, head over to the checkout. And then from in here, you can see the checkout settings like customer contact method, customer information, marketing options, tipping, address collection, order processing, post-purchase page, order status page, and all these things right here. So just customize however you want it to be. So that's the whole process. If you have plans to help us, we would like to subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.